Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 7x20 straight deck utility trailer with 4 feet mesh siding and a 4-foot loading ramp. We have our jack coupler and safety chains, as well as 4 feet of mesh siding all the way around your utility trailer. There are tie-down points at the front and rear of this utility. We have a tire mount, as well as two 35K axles on 15-inch wheels and rims. This trailer does have our stone guard plated fenders. Coming around to our rear, we have our LED brake lights, as well as a suspension gate. Once again, this is a 7x20 utility trailer with 4-foot mesh siding, straight deck. If you're interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.